In the next couple of minutes, you will learn about the YCS Crawl Clean system. This is a 4-part system designed to clean and protect a crawl space while keeping the homeowner and contractors safe. Ensure you wear the proper protective equipment when applying any cleaners or solutions. Let's get started. Step 1. First, disinfectant will be used to clean the air and some surfaces in the crawl space before the installers enter for work. This fogging process helps to reduce the dirty air entering the home while the work is being completed. It is recommended that a negative air pressure or exhaust fan is used during the next 2 steps of the system. A few minutes later, the YCS cleaner will be applied to all exposed surfaces in the floor structure. This 7% peroxide-based cleaning solution is designed to remove any stains and debris that have resulted from the growth of organic material. The YCS cleaner is an activated peroxide formula with the EPA Safer Choice designation. Step 3. About 30 minutes later, the YCS Pro Protect will be applied to all wood surfaces. This is used to resist organic growth on the sealant surface. We recommend the space be sealed and conditioned after the application of the YCS Pro Protect for the best results. Step 4. Finally, the contractors will complete the encapsulation. This will be a series of steps using the YCS Magic Adhesive, wall attachment tape, liners, and vent covers to ensure a complete encapsulation. Congratulations! You are now familiar with the YCS Crawl Clean system. If you have any questions or to get started, please reach out to our team of experts. We look forward to helping you create a clean crawl space.